today. I went into town, I did laundry, I went to the grocery, I got water, and I purchased a few things that would make me feel a little bit better. Today I'm just absorbing this beautiful sun. The sun has literally been hiding for about 4 days. It's been rainy and sleety and hailing, and it's just been really gross and gloomy and cold. So it feels really nice. I think right now it's 60 degrees. Where I'm at right now here in Idaho, and on Tuesday a cold front's coming in and it's supposed to snow up north and trickle down to rain where I'm at right now. So I don't know if I'm going to stay here. I have a 14-day limit and there are people around, but there's no one in sight. I think the closest people are probably like a quarter of a mile away, which is really, really nice considering I've been in really jam-packed locations lately, which is not ideal. Alright, so I went to the store today, down, and I bought these Goal Zero solar lanterns. Never used them before, so I'm gonna see how they work and start powering some light. The lantern seems to be doing a really good job. Pretty happy. Well, I've got a crazy update. Lots have happened. So, the truck, we'll start with the truck. Turns out, a couple weeks ago when I was hoping that engine light that came on would just be a false code for the electrical, I don't think it's that. I've called about 7 mechanics within an hour's radius of where I'm at right now, and not one of them can see me for 2 weeks. So, I have to decide what I'm going to do. Am I going to stick around for 2 weeks, or am I going to chance it and go somewhere else where they might be able to see me? So we'll see. But that's something that's my priority right now, is to get the truck fixed, because obviously that's my transportation. That's my way of living. And that's very important to me. And it gives me an opportunity to fix the electrical while I'm at it. Hopefully. So another issue that I'm faced with is there's water in the camper. Lots of it. In fact, yesterday I noticed that there was more water on the floor than normal. I started noticing it when my rugs would get wet, and I kind of dusted it off like, okay, maybe it's just dogs tracking in all the rain or the mud, because it's been raining. But it's been sunny the last couple of days, and the water has started to significantly increase, and it hasn't been below freezing, so I don't think my pipes have frozen or anything like that. I have to figure that out. Yesterday I took my entire couch living room apart and tried to access underneath the couch and see if I could pinpoint the location of the leak. I was unsuccessful, but I was able to determine that it was not my freshwater tank leaking. It's completely dry as a cob. My water pump is a little moist, so I'm thinking there could be a leak there. But the amount of water that was on the floor this morning when I got out of bed and stepped on it, I was like, ugh. That's disgusting. Wet socks and all. That really concerned me. So I cleaned up all the water that I could see, but I can't access underneath this part of the couch because I don't have the square peg drill bit to get that open. So now that I'm in town, I'm in Walmart parking lot right now waiting out a blizzard. Looks like it's stopped snowing for now, but it was like snowing really hard just a second ago. I'm gonna go inside and buy a few things. There's also a Lowe's right down the street, so I can buy that drill bit and get underneath and see what the heck is going on. I am off work next week, and I was supposed to go on a really nice backpacking trip in the Natural Basin, or the Naturalist Basin in Utah, but the weather's been pretty bad, and with the truck issues and now there's a leak issue, I don't foresee me taking that week to go backpacking. I need to focus on getting these things fixed. And getting my house back in order. So the silver lining in all of this is, I try to focus on the positive. So the silver lining, truck is going to get fixed. That's a good thing. And the couch, I get to remodel my camper. I also broke this table. I don't know if that's going to show up in the frame. And my dogs have tore up the screen. So between the dogs and myself, we can't really have anything nice. So why try? No, I'm just kidding. We're still going to try. It's the truth though. But one thing I've just been focusing on is identifying the positive in the negative, and that has definitely helped the situation. I will say I'm only human, and I have gotten a little frustrated a few times. I just went straight into, all right, let's make a plan to figure this stuff out and get it fixed so that we're not living like this. One big motivator is that my mom's coming to visit me in a couple of weeks. Yay, I'm excited. Miss her. So I want to make sure that I have everything in working order before she gets here, and honestly, I think I'll have it done way before then. But we're just gonna make this place my home now, and some of the, and that's the silver lining is focusing on the positive. I get to remodel, I get to make it my own. Yeah, it's kind of a crappy situation, but you know what? It's part of life. Even when I lived in a brick and mortar home, bad stuff happened. I had to replace my roof unexpectedly. Things happen. It does look like it's finally stopped snowing outside. It's only supposed to rain. So I think I'm gonna run inside and grab a few things to help me along with this next project. I hope you really enjoyed that drone footage. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I'm trying to get new creative perspectives for you all to see this beautiful country from my perspective, and I hope you enjoy it. This is the first time I've been in an area where I could fly the drone. With everywhere else I've been, it was pretty much a no-fly zone. I've been to some amazing places so far, and I hope that I'm portraying that beauty to you all. And I hope you all enjoy it. If you do, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and you'd like to follow along, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. I do post once a week. At least that's the goal. Haven't let myself down so far. All right, you all. It has stopped raining, so I'm gonna run inside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you all next time. Take care. Bye. Take me on a treasure hunt.